This is the Discovery HSE. It has the black exterior pack, roof rails and side steps making it easy to get in and out of the car. 20-inch alloy wheels, 5 split spoke with a gloss black finish. Privacy glass. An electric tow bar. And it also has keyless entry. Going into the back of the vehicle, you can see it has 7 seats and they are all electrically adjustable. In the front you have Discovery tread plates and an ebony leather interior. Sliding panoramic roof at the front and a fixed one at the back, and can be controlled here, which lets in a lot more sunlight. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone to. A rear view camera making parking and reversing a lot easier. Sat nav and other functions which can be controlled using the buttons on the wheel. Adaptive cruise control with stop and go, making driving along motorways a lot easier. A heated steering wheel along with heated front seats, which is ideal for winter. These seats are also memory, which means if there's several people driving the car, you don't have to keep adjusting the seat. This car only has 16,434 miles on the clock. You also have different driving modes depending on the weather, and a Meridian sound system for good quality sound. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the Discovery HSE. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.